ID tool is software that automatically recognizes the design information of engineering image drawings, generates digital design information, and converts it into intelligent P&ID solutions of global vendors. By automatically recognizing and digitizing the design information in the image drawing and storing it in the database, it reduces time and cost of traditional manual tasks, and this improves the accuracy of extracted information. By validating and managing digitized design information in custom databases for validation and consistency, it reduces the risk of deterioration in performance and subsequent steps due to errors in design information. ID2 can be used not only to convert data from global vendors to P&ID, but also to generate POMs, generate engineering reports, check P&ID's own quality, and check quality between 3D model data and P&ID design information through the generated digital design information. I'll show you ID2 operation. The following shows the process of automatically recognizing image drawings and creating a list of design information. The symbols in the image drawings are recognized based on the symbols registered in the symbol library, and text and lines are recognized by its recognition algorithm and database set. Combine recognized symbols, text, and lines. It performs digital design information and topology by lines. Define the items in the list of design information for your project and create a list of design information accordingly to export to Excel. The following shows the process of converting the generated digital design information into Hexagon Smart Plan P&ID. The conversion is performed through the generated digital design information and symbol and attribute matching of Smart Plan P&ID. The conversion result can be tracked by symbol and line, text and their respective properties.